Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to post on Instagram. To post on Instagram, firstly open your Instagram application. Now click on plus button at the bottom of the screen. Now tap on the photo that you want to post. Now click on next at the top right bottom of your screen. Now tap on next at the top right corner of your screen. Click on OK button. Now tap on share button at the bottom of the screen. This is how you will be able to post on your Instagram account. If you found this video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a like. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press that notification bell so that you will never miss another upcoming videos from us. Thank you and see you in next video.